Hello guys, today I show you how to make a rectangle in AutoCAD, and for this you guys have to follow these steps for easy way. We draw a rectangle in a two-way. First with the help of line command and the second with the help of normal rectangle command. First here we make it with the help of rectangle command. We write a rectangle command is REC, enter. Put the value of width is 250, comma, height is 100, enter. We can check it with the help of dimension linear. $250, 100. Now can make it with the help of line command. First we draw a line command. Draw a line with the help of line command. Line command is L, enter. Horizontal line dimension is 250, enter. The vertical line dimension is 100, enter. Again horizontal dimension line is 250, enter. And vertical line dimension is 100, enter. But these are only lines, not in a polyline way like this. So first we make it in a polyline. So PE, enter, M, enter. For the multipurpose, select object, enter. Convert line, arc and SP line to polyline, yes, Y, enter. We have to join all the lines, so J, enter, enter, J, enter, and RE, enter. For the refresh, just normal. Here is the rectangle with the help of line command, and it's a normal rectangle command. Thank you.